Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to optimize the battery on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 in order to get a longer battery life. So what I want you to do is just open up settings, then I want you to scroll down and there should be right here, battery and device care. Tap on this one and it will check right here your rating, and you can see it says 93 out of 100. So we're just going to tap on the optimize now button. What this will do is it will optimize your device and it will help improve battery life. So just tap on done, and once you're done, your device is now the most optimized for the best battery life. So check back on this every couple of hours, every couple of days. If there's any time where your phone is just draining like a tank, just go onto that application area inside the settings and help with your battery. So that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Right now on screens, you'll see an end screen. Just make sure that you tap on the end screen because it has a playlist with all the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 tips and tricks which you may not know. There's about 30 videos in there, so one of them you most likely do not know, so make sure you check out that playlist in the end screens or in the description. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.